Howdy VanLifers and hog-tied risers. I am really excited today. Here I am ready to open up my brand new air fryer. Now I saw this on Amazon last week and I was able to get it at 30% off because they said it was used. It was in a damaged box, so the condition of the product is supposed to be like new. So I decided to jump on a good deal like that. And it was just delivered today, and I just picked it up at my local postal station. And now here I am in a community parking lot. I got my handy dandy table set up, and we're going to unbox my air fryer. I'll tell you a little bit about it as we unbox it. And then later today, I'll be going to my local supermarket to pick up some food that I am going to cook in my air fryer tonight. And we'll see how it all works out. I'm pretty excited because from what I hear about air fryers, they do an awesome job of preparing really tasty food. I'm excited. It is a black air fryer according to the box. Now let's open it up with my handy little box opener tool. Well, the first thing we see is the TurboFry Air Fryer Quick Start Guide and the TurboFry Air Fryer User's Guide. Nice to see at least I'm going to have some instructions while I'm learning how to use this utensil. The first thing we see is a nice Teflon coated plate. I guess that's what we put the fried food on when we're air frying, but we'll see as we progress on to this opening. But that's the first item that was in the box, right at the top. Oh, that was pretty easy. The whole unit came right out of the box already assembled with the power cord, which you can see at the back, already attached, so I don't have to worry about losing that. First, let's take a look at these two controls. It looks like we have a timer and we have a temperature guide, and it looks like the temperature guide, the temperature adjustment knob goes from 200 degrees to 400 degrees, and I'm assuming that would be in Fahrenheit. And timing, well, we can time everything all the way from 0 minutes to 60 minutes. And there looks like a couple of lights. One tells you if you've got power and the other tells you if you're heating. So that looks pretty interesting.